Hello folks, bringing you another video for healthy eating. But this is going to be the prepping an apple for snacks. You may have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That saying's been around for over 100 years. So it's good to keep apples in the house, peel them, slice them ahead of time so they always in the refrigerator for a quick snack. And maybe eat it a few times a day. I mean, have you ever went to the doctor and they asked you how many times you eat vegetables and fruit a day? Yeah, you should be saying, oh, several times. It's already prepped. So once it's prepped, it's easy to grab a healthy snack. So these gloves are specifically for food prep. Make sure they're clean. Make sure the apple is clean, especially in the top and bottom. Rinse it off. This is for safety. These gloves are for safety. Cut myself once with a peeler. Never again. This peeler is very sharp. This is made by OXO. OXO. Got it from Amazon for about $9. So I peel my apple. I go straight down. See my gloves right here. This is for dishwashing. See how it's color coded? Yeah. Look at that. A few seconds, the apple's peeled. Now, got a knife. It's got jagged edges, so it's not really too sharp, but it cuts really good. Got my plastic bowl. Got my lid. I cleaned this sink way ahead of time, so it's good, safe for the food. And there you go. And that is how I prep my healthy snacks ahead of time. Thank you for watching. See you soon.